Ready? Hello students, the next part of laser experiment is determining its acceptance angle and numerical aperture of your optical fiber. So this is our fiber optic light source. This is the optical fiber whose acceptance angle and numerical aperture to be determined. Okay, so we can see that readings here. So that will give you the distance between the optical fiber cable and the screen. Okay, we can see. So 0. So there are only 4 divisions in between 0 and 1. It means that the value will be 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.2 centimeter like that. And here we will be finding the radius of the spread, angular spread. Okay, so that is determined based on millimeter. So the dia is already given in millimeter. So if the circle of laser light covers the first ring, then the diameter is 5 mm. Second ring means 10 mm. Third means 15 mm. Likewise. Okay, so what we have to do is, first we have to switch on the laser source. You can see the light here. So we have to adjust the distance between the fiber optic cable and the screen so that the laser inside covers only the 2 circles. Okay, then we have to note down the distance. So inside it you can see the distance, it is 0.2 and 0.4, the second line. So it is 0.4 and the second, it has covered the second circle. So the radius is, so the diameter is 10 mm, so the radius will be 5 mm. Similarly, you have to adjust the distance so that the laser light covers the third circle. Then for fourth circle, then for fifth circle. So like this, we have to adjust the distance so that the light covers second, third, fourth, fifth circles. And you have to note down the readings in the tabular column. So this will give you the distance. So first we have to find the radius, that will be in mm. That is this is radius in mm. So if you want to convert that into centimeter, it will be 0.5. So for second circle I told you already the diameter is in terms of 10 mm. So the radius will be 0.5 centimeter. What is the distance? Same. Similarly, for third circle, what is the distance? Fourth circle, what is the distance? So you have to do like this. Then we have to find acceptance angle. The formula is R by D into 180 by pi. So that only will convert the readings into radian. Okay. So R is this 0.5 into 10 power minus 2 divided by D is 0.8 into 10 power minus 2 into 180 divided by pi will give you the angle theta. That is your acceptance angle. Find the mean value. Then for numerical aperture, you have to take the sign for this value. Sine of 35 degree, 49 minutes, 41 seconds will give you the numerical aperture. Then you have to find the mean value. Only thing is you have to take the readings in terms of this. You should not write it as point values. It should be degree, minutes and seconds. We have a separate option in our calculator to write the values in this format. Thank you.